O mga kababayan, may bago na naman tayong i-react ito. Kasi nga si Paduano, Diyos ko, the king of contempt. Gigil na gigil sa hindi pagdalo niya, no? Sa di pagdalo ni Tatay Digong. Galit na galit siya eh. Siyempre si Barbers naintindihan niya yung sitwasyon ni Pangulong Duterte. Kaya sinagot niya si Paduano. Tignan niyo, panoorin natin.
Honorable Rodrigo Roa Duterte. But we never, and the reason why the former president will be excused in today's hearing because of he needs more rest. He is currently not feeling well and he is need of much rest. So, Mr. Chairman, first and foremost, there is no an authority coming from.
Oh, di ba? Super basa si ano eh. Super basa si Paduano. Sasabihin pa niya, this is the tradition. Meron ka pang nalalamang ganyang mga sitwasyon, ha, Paduano. Tradition naman daw. Yung gigil na gigil talaga siya. Kasi yung sinasabi niya daw, bakit daw hindi nag-submit ng medical certificate si Pangulong Duterte, bakit daw nagbigil lang yung attorney niya. Di ba? Kapalmoks.
The former president that he will be represented by Attorney Martin V. Delga. And at the same time, no medical certificate confirming that indeed the former president will be excused in today's hearing because of his medical situation.
If I may, Your Honor, as we all know.
Oh, di ba? Sinagot siya ni ano na, ni Barbers. Tignan naman tugon ni Barbers against sa sinasabi niya no, ni King of Contempt.
The former president is already old and has been experiencing, based on media reports, has been sick lately and has actually had his medical checkup, I believe. And I think, in deference to the former president, I think we should afford him the courtesy.
Buti nga pumayag pa siya no eh. Buti nga pasalamat sila. Buti nga napapayag si Pangulong Duterte na atin sa Senate hearing eh. Pasalamat sila na atin. Kung hindi siya atin, huwag nilang pilitin. In-invite lang naman eh. Ano yun? Salarin ba siya? Ito talaga si Paduano.
That is due to him by not requiring him to submit to this committee a medical certificate.
Tignan niyo si Dan Fernandez. Ano yun? Nagangat-ngat ng ngipin? Nagangat-ngat. Parang yun sabi niya, para hindi magkasundo ang dalawa eh. Dapat kasi nag-usap-usap na kayong lahat dyan para iisa yung daloy ng ano nyo, dugo nyo.
Okay. Let us give him that extension of our courtesy to him being the former president, and his intention to appear before this committee in the subsequent hearings that we will schedule. So
hindi na matanggap niya, hindi matanggap ni Paduano yung paliwanag ni Barbers. Kasi pinipilit niya, bakit daw hindi nagbigay talaga ng medical certificate? At iniisip pa niya na baka yung attorney lang ang nagbigay. Dito pinapaliwanag ni Barbers na yung attorney, lahat naman ng sinasulat ng attorney ay galing po kay Pangulong Duterte.
So, if I may, Your Honor, let us not pursue the submission of medical certificate from the former president.
But Mr. Chairman, under our rules, no, malinaw po, tradition, all resource persons being invited in every hearing, especially in inquiry in the legislation, we need for him to explain. And the issue here, Mr. Chairman, of course, attorney.
Tingnan mo, Hindi naman drawing ang mukha ni Paduano kasi nga against na kasi si Barbers. Pero kung to si Barbers hindi na nag-against, diretso yung ano yan. Diretso yung Senate hearing. walang bakal.
Martin Delga sent us a letter representing the president, former president, but without an authority coming from the former president.
Perhaps that
And
was just...
Mr. Chairman, we have all the rules.
I know, Your Honor.
And
but,
in fact,
these
during
are
previous
just...
hearings, well, in fact,
Di ba? Tignan niyo, tumaas na yung boses ni Tumaas na yung boses ni Paduano. Ano 'yan? Nagkakainitan na sa loob ng Kongreso. Wow, bravo.
during the hearing on public on dangerous drugs, twice we excused Attorney Fortun, representing supposedly Michael Yang without any authority from Michael Yang. And in fact, he presented us authority coming from his office to the corporation being listed.
Your Honor,
To Michael Yang.
if I may...
Ayun. Tignan mo, pakinggan niyo yung sinasabi ni Barbers. Hindi niya pinapatapos si Paduano na magsalita. Kasi nga naiinis na yun. Naiinis na talaga si Barbers. Ay, kayo lang naman dyan eh. Stick to the plan dapat kayo.
We're not... This representation is not asking for the former president not to be excused in not following strictly the rules of the House. What I am asking for, Your Honor, is the request that we should not ask or demand a medical certification coming from...
Oo naman. Tama naman siya, Tama naman si Barbers na lahat po ang sinasabi ng attorney. Ayan po ay galing naman talaga sa side naman ni Pangulong Duterte. Siyempre kung anong sinasabi ni Pangulong Duterte, yun din ang ibibigay niya, yung attorney. Hindi matanggap niya, ni Paduano. Mamaya, iipal na dyan si Dan Fernandez.
The former president, because we all know that he has reached an age of a fragile age. Therefore, maybe we can grant that exception to the former president.
Mr. Chairman, point of information. Will I be allowed to...
With the indulgent...
Di ba? Tignan nyo. Nag-ano na nagsasalita na si Dan Fernandez. Tingnan natin kung anong itatanong na naman ni Dan Fernandez.
So, Congressman Paduano, what is the point of
because I haven't read yet, I wanted to be clarified on something about the letter that was sent to us by the former president. Was it included in the letter that he is sick right now, or he need more rest in order to be a part of this?
No, I believe, Your Honor, that the lawyer...
Di ba? Yung tinatanong naman ni Fernandez, masyadong mababaw. Diyos ko, lupit talaga ng mga congressman na to. Wala na akong masabi.
Clearly stated in that letter that he needs rest.
And the Chairman Paduano is asking for a
The
medical
chair
certificate.
will allow me to read in toto, part of that letter. He is currently not feeling well and is in need of much rest. But
Parang yung usapan nila yung pabalik-balik na lang, dahil hindi pumambor ng isa. Umahaba yung usapan. Pero pabalik-balik na lang kaya. Pabalik-balik na lang. Ba't gigil kayo sa mga Duterte? Ha?
Mr. Chairman, once again, let me, first thing first, since no authority coming from the former president to be represented by Attorney Martin Bidelga, they have to produce. The committee should direct the former president to issue an authority for Mr. Attorney Martin Delga for him to be represented by this attorney. And
O, di ba? Pabalik-balik ng tignan mo. Pabalik mo. Kaya na binasad din niya yan eh. Ngayon binasan mo na ulit. Di ba? Parang hindi na nakakatuwa. Hindi na nakakatuwa. Pabalik-balik na lang.
with regards to the medical certificate, Mr. Chairman, of course, for humanitarian and giving due courtesy to the former president, I might yield to the position of chair. But on the first issue with regards to authority coming from former president being represented, claimed by Attorney Martin De Lulga, we
Oh, di ba? Tingnan mo. Lagi nilang attorney. Diyos ko. Kasi, ang tingin ko nanggigigil siya kasi wala siyang mai-contempt eh.
have to get an authority from the president. Yes, Attorney Martin De Lulga will represent him on the next hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I believe that it was just perhaps an oversight, no, from the part of the lawyer, because clearly in this letter, he is representing the former president, and information as
Dito naman kasi si Barbers. Dapat kasi Barbers nagmaang-maang ka na lang. Yung sinakyan mo na lang si Paduano. Para tapos na yung ano eh. Para tapos na yung usapan. Ayan, tuloy. Umaba yung ano nyo. Yung congress hearing nyo. Dahil lang sa ganyang usapin na napakababaw.
to the health of the former president was also stated in this letter. Therefore, I believe that he has the imprimatur coming from the former
Mr.
president. That's the reason why maybe he wrote this letter. So,
Mr. Chairman, lastly, Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of
Hindi ba? Ayaw magpatalo ni Paduano. Talagang ang taas ng lipad niya. Taas ng lipad niya masyado eh. Talang pinipilit na siya ang tama.
Congressman Flores, of course, let me again stress, Mr. Chairman, this is our tradition and under the rules. And if we do it, if we done it, in regards to Attorney Fortun, a top tax lawyer, and we excuse Attorney Fortun for not producing any substantial document that was given authority from Michael Jackson.
O, di ba? Ngayon ang pinagkakainitan naman niya yung ano, yung attorney. Yung attorney naman pagkakainitan niya. Totoo talaga. Di ba ang saya? Mga kababayan, ang saya-saya nangyayari sa Kongreso.
What's the difference between Attorney Martin De Lulga and in the case of the former president?
well,
And I think, Mr. Chairman, kung talaga po, the former president,
Ikaw Paduano, kung magsalita ka, binuto ka lang ng distrito mo o partilis pa o kung magsalita ka, ang taas ng lipad mo. Parang, oy, tumakbo ka senador o kung hindi tumakbo ka vice presidente para maramdaman mo na binuto ka ng sambayanan. Eh, binuto ka lang naman ng distrito mo eh. Ang taas ng lipad mo eh. Ang taas masyado. Parang piling niya, iisa lang yung ano nyo eh. Yung napuntahan nyo na posisyon. Nako, ito ang mahirap sa mga taong nagpapanggap